So hello guys, good morning. Okay guys, good morning. So this is me, Tonton Motovlog. So for today's video, kung makikita ninyo yung oras natin is 2:25 ng hapon, which is ang actual na oras natin is 8:45 ng umaga. Ito naman ay advance ng almost 5 minutes. So susundin lang natin itong ating wristwatch. So para i-reset is from Odo, ilalagay niyo yung inyong menu sa trip 1 and then press both M and S button ng sabay. So ayan. So once na nagbi-blink na yung oras, pindutin lang ninyo yung pagbi-blink guys ay tumatagal na ng 3 to 4 seconds siguro, no? So pindutin ulit natin from trip 1. So, press both M and S ng sabay. Okay, so once blinking, pindutin yung M for the clock or the hour option. So, oras natin is 8:45. So, set na siguro natin ng 8:50. So, para sa minutes, pindutin naman yung S. So, sige, set natin ng 8:50. Okay, so yun lang. Pagka naset ninyo guys yung oras na hour and minutes na gusto ninyo, so press and hold lang yung M and S button ng sabay. Tapos yan, mag-steady na yung oras. So ganun lang, and that's all for today's video. And this is me, Babush.